At the northern tip of Ontario, where Georgian Bay meets Lake Huron, lies a small yet breathtaking town, Tobermory. With its crystal-clear waters, shipwrecks, and stunning natural beauty, it's one of the most captivating nature destinations in Canada. Located about a 4 to 5 hour drive from Toronto, Tobermory is perfect for both day trips and multi-day getaways. This picturesque lakeside town offers a mix of rugged wilderness, charming harbor life, and access to some of Ontario's most iconic parks and islands. In summer, it attracts campers, hikers, and nature lovers, while spring and fall bring a quieter, more peaceful experience. Whether you're looking for outdoor adventures or just a place to slow down and breathe, Tobermory has something for everyone. Bruce Peninsula National Park. Just outside the town, Bruce Peninsula National Park is a haven for hikers, swimmers, and campers. The park's most famous spot is the Grotto, a hidden cave with turquoise water tucked into limestone cliffs. It gets very crowded in the summer, so parking reservations are essential. Trails around Cypress Lake also offer peaceful forest walks and scenic views. Another highlight of the park is Singing Sands Beach, located on the western shoreline of the peninsula. It's known for its shallow, warm waters and peaceful atmosphere, perfect for families. The beach gets its name from the soft hissing sound the sand makes as you walk across it. It's also one of the best spots in the area to catch a sunset. Tobermory Boat Tours. Tobermory serves as the gateway to Fathom 5 National Marine Park, known for its underwater shipwrecks and glass-bottom boat tours. These tours let you view 19th century shipwrecks like Sweepstakes and City of Grand Rapids from above, thanks to the incredibly clear water. One of the main attractions is Flowerpot Island, named after its uniquely shaped rock formations on the shore. The island also features hiking trails, a small historic lighthouse, sea caves, and scenic picnic spots. It's a must for nature lovers and photographers. There are 2 types of boat tours to choose from. One includes only the boat ride, where you cruise over the shipwrecks without disembarking. The other allows you to get off at Flowerpot Island and explore for a few hours before returning. If you have the time, the island visit is definitely worth it for a more immersive experience. Tobermory Town Center. Tobermory's compact town center is lively yet relaxed, perfect for strolling around after a day of exploring. You'll find gift shops, handmade goods, and great views of the harbor and lighthouse. One of the local favorites is fish and chips, made fresh with local catch. Shipwreck Lee's is especially well known for serving this classic dish. As evening sets in, you can head to Crow's Nest Pub and Restaurant or Tobermory Brewing Company and Grill. These popular spots serve local craft beer and casual pub meals. Tobermory Brewing Company stands out with its house-made brews and a scenic patio overlooking the water. Despite its size, the town has a surprisingly good food and drink scene. Accommodation options. There's no shortage of places to stay in Tobermory. In the town center, you'll find small hotels, inns, and cozy lodges, many of them within walking distance of the harbor. If you prefer something more secluded, there are plenty of Airbnb rentals, including lakeside cabins and forest cottages. These are ideal if you're looking for peace, privacy, and a closer connection with nature. Keep in mind that accommodations fill up quickly in summer, so it's best to book in advance. Other things to do. Beyond hiking and boat tours, Tobermory offers a few more memorable experiences. You can take the Chi-Chi-Man ferry over to Manitoulin Island for a day trip filled with more natural beauty and cultural spots. For a more laid-back afternoon, return to Singing Sands Beach, or try a guided scuba diving tour to explore the underwater world. The shipwrecks aren't just for viewing from above. Many are accessible for divers and snorkelers as well. Tobermory is a must-visit for nature lovers and outdoor explorers. It does get busy in the summer, so make sure to plan ahead by reserving parking and booking your boat tours in advance. In return, you'll be rewarded with clean waters, unforgettable views, and the kind of peaceful energy only a small lakeside town can offer. If you're adding Tobermory to your itinerary, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to WanderWay for more travel inspiration across Canada and beyond.